I will show you one of the most important tool which will help you in every step of your Redux journey, and that is Redux DevTool extension. So now we are going to see how to include that extension, and also we are going to see its basic usage. So to include that, we need to perform two steps. First step, open Google and type Redux DevTool extension and just click on this first link. And here you will be having the demonstration how this tool will be looking. And here we have this button, add to Chrome. Just click on this, add extension. Now this extension will be added inside our Chrome. Now I'm just going to click on this extensions. I'm having Redux DevTool, but as of now it is grayed out. I will not be able to use this extension because we have only completed the first step. Now we have to do a second step. Same thing you have to type here, and below this you will be finding this GitHub link. Open this GitHub link, and this is the second step. Scroll down, and inside this usage section we are having 1.3 use Redux DevTool extension from npm. Okay, you can see at 1.3 section we are having this command which we have to copy and install in our application. So I'll copy this command. I will open my Redux application. I will open terminal, and inside this I am going to paste the command. Before that, let me open this package.json. Inside this, currently we are using Redux 5.0.1. But as soon as I hit enter, I will be having some error. Let me show you. I am having this error. Why? Because now we are having conflict between the versions of Redux and Redux DevTool. Here we are using Redux 5.0.1, but Redux DevTool extension, you can see the version number. This Redux DevTool extension has a peer dependency on Redux 3.1.0 or 4.0. But now we are using latest version of Redux. So that is the reason version numbers are not getting matched and we are having this error. So to resolve this, you only have to follow one simple step. I will come here. Below this, I'm just going to copy the same command, and here I will be pasting. And after that, before hitting enter, what you have to do, you have to write __ legacy _ here _deps. Okay, you simply have to write __ legacy here _deps. Using this flag, we are allowing to bypass that peer dependency conflicts. Now we can easily install the package even though we are having version mismatch, but still using this flag we can install our Redux DevTool extension. I will hit enter. Now you can see package is getting installed, and inside package.json Redux DevTool extension is added. Why I showed you that error? Because most people, when they are working with latest version of Redux and when they try to install this Redux DevTool extension, they face this error. So that is how you will be resolving by passing that one simple flag. If you do not want to add the flag, then uninstall Redux and install fourth version of Redux, and in that you can install this package. This is not the end. I will open this, and here if you see, if you want to use, we have to import this compose with DevTool which is provided by this package, and then this method will be passed inside the create store as its second argument, which will be taking our middleware as its argument. So I'll just copy this, import, come to my application, open this Redux folder. Inside that we have store.js, and below this I'm just going to import this compose with DevTools from Redux DevTools extension. Then what we have to do? We have to pass as second argument inside this create store. Here I will copy, I am going to paste, and this entire apply middleware will be passed as its argument. I will wrap inside this parenthesis. Okay, simple. First, we have to add the extension. Second, we have to install the package, and then we have to import this compose with DevTool, which is provided by this package. And then this method we are going to pass as second argument to our create store, which will be taking our middleware as its argument. Again, I will open terminal. Now I'm just going to start my application. npm start. Now my application is started. Now if I click on this extension, you can see now it is been colored. It is not grayed out. I will click on this. You can see this tool is opened, but the problem is if I click outside, the tool will be closed. Again, I will click on this, open. If I click outside, the tool will be closed. So what we have to do, right click, Redux DevTool, and here we are having two options, open in a window, open remote DevTools. I will click on this first option, open in a window, and this is very important tool whenever you are creating complex application using Redux. Now even if I click outside, the tool will not be closed, it will be opened. Accordingly, you can adjust this tool. Now here if you see, we have action and here we have state button. Accordingly, we are having multiple buttons. Just explore by yourself, but let us focus on this state. Now initially my pizza base is 1000 is displayed, and my burger is 200, so 200 is displayed. I will come here, I'm just going to dispatch this order pizza. Come to this tool. Now you can see in my state, now pizza base is 999 and my burger buns remains 200, and on left side my action is displayed, that is order pizza. Now again I will come to my application. Now I'm just going to dispatch order burger. Now my pizza base is 999 and if you see my burger buns is still 200. Why? Because on left side I have selected order pizza. Now I have dispatched order burger. If I come here, accordingly state will be updated. Let me increase the size. Now if I go here, I will be having the previous state. If I come to order burger, I will be having next updated state. So easily we can jump through these actions. And here we are having action button. So here my type is order burger, and for this order pizza, my type is order pizza. Based on that, my action will be dispatched. And below this, let me just decrease the size. And here we are having play button. Just focus on this UI. I will click on this play. Accordingly, whatever state transitions we have done, that will be visible. Now I am having 999 pizza base and 199 burger buns. Now if I just click on this, you can see first it was 1000, then it was reduced. Again I will click, first it was 200 and then it was reduced. So using this button, we can see the state transitions happening in our UI. Then one more important button, we have this dispatcher button. Using this button, directly we can give the action type without any UI element. So let me show you. I will decrease. I will come here. Just focus on this. I will give the type as order pizza. I am not clicking on any UI button. Directly, I am just giving order pizza. Once I give this, here you will be finding dispatch button. Click on this. Number of pizza is decreased by 1. So using this dispatcher, if you do not want to display any UI element, using this dispatcher, you can give the action type and then you can see the result in UI. I will increase the size, and here we have this place button, and here we have go back and go forward. Accordingly, if I click on this, I will be going back to initial state. Then I did order pizza. Let me just show the result as well. Then I did order burger, burger is reduced. Then again using dispatcher, I have done order pizza. So that will be displayed. Again I will go back. This is my initial state. I did order pizza. Then I did order burger. Then again I did order pizza. So step by step, we can see all the state transitions. And this is one of the most important tool. Just explore and accordingly see the different state transitions, see how the actions will be performed, see what will be the next change. So instead of using logger middleware, you can use this DevTool extension which will be giving you lot of functionalities and features.